I will show you. Wait. I'm lagging. Sorry. Just ignore that. I will show you how the girls is better. How boys will have. How boys will have. How girls will have. See? The girls is the better. How boys will have in the bed. How girls will have. I think I did not do this. Team. See? Stuck knowledge. That's how boys will have and do like this. See? How how girls will have. Another like that. How boys will have. How girls will have. See? Girls is better than boys. How boys will have in this. See how girls will have. Sorry. Oh, I'm wrong over here. How to get in? This is impossible. The winner is girls. How to roll up in here? Oh my goodness. Yo, bro. How boys can roll up? He's so slow. If I lose and the boys win, I will face rebel. Joke. I will show my cousin. Look, the boys. Look, the boys. Oh my goodness. Sorry, guys. That is the boys. How two girls will have. Wait. Joke. How girls will have. Oh my goodness. Wait, that's one. Two. How boys will have. That's how boys will have. How girls will have. I'm much better than boys because that's why the the girls is better. Look, I will challenge you. If you're a boy, I just challenge you. The girls first. That is easy. I think easy or hard. How girls will have and this. I can do this. If I do, my goodness, I put them down. Oh my goodness, guys. Wait, what is this? I'm curious in this. I'm curious. That's me, da. How girls will have. how boys will hop. And how girls will hop. And see, the girls will team, just comment team boys or team girls. Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow.